Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
How to add a watermark in PDF. First, open the PDF file. Here, we open it using Adobe Acrobat. Let's first check the contents of the file. Is it neat and correct? If all the pages are neat and correct, continue with click Tools, then Pages. Then find the Edit Pages Design section, then click Watermark, then Add Watermark. After entering the watermark settings menu, in the File section, click Browse, then look for the watermark file to be added. Click Open, then adjust the position and size. If the position and size are correct, continue by clicking OK. And our work has been done. Thus, thank you, hopefully helpful.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.